hapon po sa inyong lahat, mga fishing, lalo na sa aking mga subscribers, mga viewers. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy ng pagsuporta at pagsubaybay sa aking channel. At ngayon ay papunta na tayo sa ating pagriyahan ng ating kitang. Ngayon ay kasama ko ang aking napagagandang asawa, fishing. Ang problema nito fishing, madaling mahilo. Sana ngayon ay hindi. Ito ka-fishing, may kasama ka-fishing ko. Yan. Para daw swertihin pabuenas kasi kapiling pa kasama yung asawa. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo kapiling ang ating pag-area ng kitang.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Kapila na lang abuya. Natulo ba na? Laos palagi lang. Dadlaro no. Pila ka bukbuya ang gada?
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
White snapper. Spear fishing. Ito na siya, grouper. Kita.
Buto katod. Tara, tara. Hmm. Yung siya mailhan og unsang isda ah. Yay! Ayan mga ka-fishing. Humihinga pa sila oh. Ayan pa. Ito yung Ugapo. Ugapo nito?
Grouper.
Grouper. Buhay pa sila, oh.
Kita.
Oo. Ganda. Ayan mga ka-fishing, ang aming huli ngayon, oh. Meron kaming grouper. Ano na pa?
Dagan.
Dili ka na siya.
Dapak.
Saya. Lagan.
White snapper.
White snapper. Kaning ano dito niya?
Dapak ito na.
Dapak. Kamo na ang among kuha karong gabi eh.
Ka-fishing. Medyo marami tayong huli ngayon. Swerte talaga ka-fishing pag may kasamang asawa. And thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell para laging updated and notified po kayo sa susunod nating mga video. Thank you and God bless.